Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about how to link an external bank account to Bluevine. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time, just going to give you guys 5 quick steps. So let's get into it. Step 1, log into your Bluevine dashboard on the website or mobile app. From the main menu, tap transfer money. Step 2 is to choose linked external accounts. So just go to link external accounts tab. You're going to see 2 options, instant login and micro deposit verification. Next step is for instant login, select your other bank from the list and then enter your online banking credentials and approve access. Bluevine will connect immediately. Step 4, if your bank isn't listed, you can select the manual option. Enter your routing number and account number. Bluevine will send you 2 small test deposits, usually under $1, within 1 or 2 business days. Final step, return to Bluevine once the deposit appears. Tap Verify External Accounts and enter the exact amounts of those micro deposits to confirm ownership. Once verified, you can transfer money back and forth seamlessly between Bluevine and your external bank. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.